about time. And you guys, the news gonna lie and say, oh, it's so pretty outside. It's gonna be nice and warm. Everything's gonna be nice and sunny. You gonna say sunny? You say sunny? Okay. That's what they say? Sunny? Okay. Hold on. They say it's sunny. I'm gonna show you what's sunny outside. Y'all. It's freaking hold on, let me get a better view. It's raining. Be for real. Gonna say oh, it's gonna be nice and warm today, and ain't nothing gonna happen. It's cloudy, it's raining, and it's supposed to be raining all freaking day. And it's like, it's warm outside, but it's like the rain is making it cold. Like, my goodness. Like, come on, be for real. Stop lying. Anyway, I don't got time to deal with that right now. Right now, I just need to get my daughter up. And, we found out that today school was going to be not opening today, sadly, because of the stupid rain. So what we're going to do is we're going to take her to the hair salon and get our hair done. It's because, that hair needs to be refixed and revamped. So, yeah. Hopefully, oh, wait, hold on. Now it wants to stop raining. Beep. Yeah. It was raining all night, and now it wants to stop as soon as I say something. Like, the world's not making no sense. Like, for real, it's not making no sense. Anyway, freak that TV right now. I'm just going to get myself up and ready. Is because they're going to say, oh, school's closed. Who's this? And 2 seconds later, oh, school's back open. Take your kids to school. Be for real. Like, shut up. Like, no. Anyway, I'm going to just get ready. And I hope you guys are having a better morning than us. So, let's get out the bath. And I just got finished doing my makeup a little bit. Yep, period. And I got finished brushing my teeth. This is my outfit I'm wearing. It's cute little Nike outfit. And bro, as soon as I get out the freaking bath, it rains again. Like, what the heck? What is wrong with this universe today? It's always freaking raining here. I don't even know why. Anyway. Hold on, let me just go downstairs and turn on the news because they about to make me mad. Because, like, bro, gonna say something. Oh, it's not gonna rain. Bro, it's raining and it's freaking cold in here. Okay. Turn on. Shut up. They ain't saying anything. Tell them to go wake up in because Indigo needs to get her little butt up and ready for the day. So, yeah. Open up, you dumb door. Okay. There she goes. Get some sunlight in here. It's getting kind of dark in here. Did the light turn on? Oh, okay. Indigo, mama's girl, time to get up. It's time to get up. It's time to get up. Hi, Mama. Hey, are you ready for the day? No. Mama's time to get up anyway. So, the school said that you have a delay today, so you'll be going to school at 12. So, I'm gonna let you go there for until 2, until 3, because that's what time you get out, because, what time is it now? It's 10:15, so I can probably do something in your hair real quick, and then I can take you to school. Okay. Now I pick out my outfit today. I'm gonna pick it out because it's raining. It's raining again. It's always raining here. I said the same thing. Like, come on. Like, it always rains. Like, don't nobody want to be surrounded by rain every day. Y'all, it's been raining all week. Like, literally all week. Alright, come on, Indigo. I know you like seeing the rain, but it's time to get going. I got Mama. So I'm gonna go in the bathroom and get ready. Yeah, I want you to go in the bathroom. Did you take a bath yesterday? Yeah. Yeah, okay. So now she's in there. I'm gonna start making breakfast so I can pass time.
Maybe you should stop resisting it. I understand it can be scary, but you'll be safe in my arms, baby. Just take a leap of faith. Come on, just take my hand. 'Cause I
say, why in the world is she wearing this? Yo, it's still raining. I didn't have time to do her hair, and I didn't want her hair to get nasty and puffy again, even though it already is. So what I do is I had to put on one of my old wigs on her. And she absolutely loves it. What do you think? I love my look good. You think you look good? Yeah. These are one of my wigs. Now I have to put it on her. Her school is so used to her in black hair. They're like, did you dye your hair or something? They have seen her in this type of colored hair before. And she had this on because this used to be one of my 19-year-old wigs. I do not wear it anymore. Now she took it. Anyway. So yeah. It's still raining. As usual. Look at this. Oh my god, I forgot to cover the pool. Oh my god. Okay, I forgot to cover the pool. But I'm not going to panic about that right now. I'm just worried about the stupid rain going away. Anyway, we're just gonna block that out for a second. She's eating her breakfast. I already ate mine. So now I'm just waiting for her to kind of chop because it is 11:30 and I want her to kind of go to school and see her friends and stuff. So, yeah, ready to go? Yeah! So yeah, we're about to go to a school. The school called saying, hey, you guys can see your kids in there. She was talking, what are you doing? That's my choice. The school said that she can come if they would like. A lot of her friends are going to see her. So, yeah, we're just gonna go anyway. And yeah, so we'll see how we get there.
It gets confusing when you say you love me, when you say that we're just friends. You must be thinking this is just a game. I'm not interested to play. I'm looking for something real. Won't you tell me how you feel? What your true intentions are? Boy, you'll have to raise the bar if you want me, baby. Something needs to change. I'm done wondering. I want clarity. No more wicked ways. Love me or leave me, yeah. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, hostage. With this back and forth. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, hostage. With this back and forth, this back and forth, this back and forth. I'm gonna have to let you
Oh
go.
yeah, so I got red nails. I don't know why I made me just get red nails. Because, you know, even though Valentine's Day is officially over, about time, I just like the color red, and I didn't have no Valentine well, yes I did, I had my daughter, so she's my little Valentine, but, she's at school, so I'm about to pick her up right now, because, it is now 2:50, I didn't know my nails were going to take that long, but it lasted, like, her whole school day, so, you know, what gifts, right now, I'm pretty sure she's, at recess right now, but inside her classroom, is because it is free. Oh my god, it's still raining. It's because it's like still, you know, messy outside. So I'm about to just pull up to the school now just so I can like see her, and then she can just walk right out to the car. I'm gonna call her in like late. No, not late. I was gonna call her in like to school early, but they're about to get out in like maybe 10 minutes. So yeah. So right now I'm just gonna park my car in my favorite parking spot, and we'll just wait here. Oh yeah, so she's about to come out right now. I just saw some other kids come out, so hopefully she's next. Oh, yeah, it is her. Indigo! Get in the car, girlie. Sweat. Hi, Mom. Hey, how was school? Good. We made gingerbread houses. Gingerbread houses? Christmas is over. Yeah, my favorite teacher wasn't at school that day, so she just let us, just make gingerbread houses, and we got some cookies, and I got to take one home. Lucky, I wish my school's like that. Y'all, schools nowadays be so unfair. I mean, like, yes, I was born, like in the 2000s, but still, it's not the same anymore. Anyway, okay, get no cars coming. So, it's time to go where? Home after a fun/long day. Rainy day. Y'all, so we are now just out the bath in our comfortable clothes. We are wearing matching Hello Kitty pajamas, and we got these slippers at the mall. It was not here, it was in Maryland. It was a Maryland mall, and it was so cute, and we got these shoes, so it was really, really fun. Right now I'm about to take her, and we are about to look outside at the sunset. It's because it is now setting, and yeah, where's the sun? Well, you can't even see the sun anymore because the stupid rain is covering, but it is a sunset going on over here. So this is what it looks like outside. It's pretty cute. It's really, really refreshing. Like when I hear the sound of rain, it just feels like something is so comforting, and like it helps me sleep a lot. So it's really, really nice to just like look outside at the beautiful view. Well, half beautiful, but Indigo's a little bit tired because she was at school. Did you have fun though? Yes, it was really, really fun. She really had a lot of fun. But you know, when you have fun, you have downtime, and you're very tired. So I'm about to lay her down for a nap. Even though when she probably wakes up, it'll be the next day because like getting really, really late. It's getting kind of late now. So we had off camera. We went to McDonald's. Well, we ordered it. We didn't really want to, do all that. So I'm about to just take her upstairs in her little bed. I'm going to just lay her down. And then we're going to end this vlog. Just got finished watching a really, really cool movie I just watched. So y'all, if y'all have BT Plus, definitely watch The Reading. It is a little bit of a horror movie, but definitely watch The Reading. The Reading is a really, really good movie. If you are a Christian who doesn't really believe and like stuff like that, I definitely understand that you cannot like really watch and stuff. It's not really about the devil or anything. It's just like about a cool little movie, and it's really, really cool. So if I were you, I would definitely go check it out. But I will see you guys in my next vlog. Let me know in the comments what you want me to do next. This is what it looks like outside. It's now dark, like dark outside. So we'll see you guys the next morning. I'm about to just take my little fat butt to bed. I'm gonna check on Indigo one last time, and let me check on my meetings because I did not go to my meeting like I was supposed to today. But you know, a girl doesn't want to, so I want to see. Oh, never mind. It's scheduled for tomorrow. So thank God I did not get in trouble because I always be late to my meeting for some reason. So I'm just gonna shut the curtains real quick. I'm gonna shut all of them because I want nobody looking in my house like that. Like, what are you looking at? That's why I always keep them closed so nobody be looking and stuff. Let me know in the comments if you guys keep your stuff closed. I would sometimes. Well, let me clean up this mini mess right here because it is a little bit messy. And when I laid her down, she went right to sleep, you guys. Like, when I mean she went right to sleep, Indigo went straight up to sleep. That's how tired she was. Even though her teacher did say she had a good day, still. So, wait, isn't that closed? Oh, it is closed. Okay. Anyway. Let's see. Oh, yeah, there she is. Okay, she is asleep. Oh, yeah, I did hang up some little lights in her room because she was a little bit afraid of the dark. So, yeah, she's sleeping right now. So, I'm going to leave her alone. So, here's the last view of outside. Really, really nice. Gorgeous. Anyway. Hope you guys have a good day. I'm going to shut her door because I want nobody looking. Okay, now her door's shut. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And definitely go share with your friends. Because it'll mean the world to me if you can make it a great day for me. And I will definitely make good videos for you guys. See you guys next time. Bye. Let me turn off this light real quick. Okay. Now, good night and goodbye.